information from the cloud, future Ford vehicles will be able to enrich your journey with unexpected mobile convenience. Imagine your vehicle as your personal assistant. For example, it connects to your house, so when it's time to leave, the car's interior is preheated or cooled to your preferred temperature. In the radio station you were listening to at home, it follows you seamlessly into the car. When you pull away, the car tells the house you've left, making sure all the doors are locked, the alarm is set, the lights turned off. As you drive, you might be listening to local traffic reports on the radio, but your car is one step ahead. It's communicating with all the other vehicles on the road, learning where there are accidents or road work. And if there's a problem up ahead, it'll suggest an alternative route. Using sensors built into the driver's seat, it will also monitor your personal health. If you were to fall ill, it could take over, steer you to a safe place, and alert emergency services. Today, however, you're feeling on top of the world and have plenty of time to get to your destination. So the car suggests you take a scenic route and adjust to the road conditions so you can enjoy the drive. Thank you for taking a ride with us into a bright, hopeful future. We hope you enjoyed the journey.
Doing?
Hey, Darian! Darian!
It's 85%.
Family grows with the additions of the 300, Charger, and Grand Cherokee SRT models. The SRT's outstanding power is thanks to its 6.4-liter Hemi V8 with 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. This intelligent engine does also feature a fuel-saving technology that will allow your vehicle to run on just 4 cylinders when operating at cruising speeds. The end result, better use of fuel while still providing you with all the power when you need it. Of course, giving you the power to accelerate is only half of the equation, but not to worry, as our SRT8s have you covered, providing you with world-class stopping power as well. Our Charger 300 and Challenger all feature 14.2-inch front and 13.8-inch rear vented rotors with 4-piston Brembo calipers. The Grand Cherokee features an even larger 15-inch front vented rotors and 6-piston calipers. Now, all of the SRT models also include a color graphic vehicle information center with progress pages. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display can be easily customized to view driver preferences and expanded to include instant feedback on horsepower, torque, 0 to 60 times, 60 to braking, G-forces, quarter-mile and 8-mile time.
Pretty. I like the yellow.